A mermaid.
Finally here. This is what I've been seeing on the internet. I've been seeing this on some videos and stuff. I'm finally here. Let me show you guys also. Oh my gosh, I love water. By now, I'm sure you know that I like to use a voice note to explain my true feelings about anywhere I visit. It is just my tradition. I believe that when I tell you how I truly feel, you understand. So I'm back again with another voice over. How are you doing? By the way, thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Lillian, but if you are a returning subscriber, hey love, thank you so much for all the support. Cape Coast has been, really my expectation about Cape Coast was met or is met something. So today we are doing the beach, and if you have been following this channel since last year, by now I guess you know already. You see the beach and the mountain. I am in for those two. Like I can live there for days without even worrying about the outside world. So there was no how I was going to come to Cape Coast without doing the beach, because if you know Cape Coast, sometimes when you kind of want to do research about Cape Coast, the first thing that you see is the water, is the beach. And then I said, okay, so on getting here, this place is a must do. Definitely. So that is why we are here. And then on getting here, as usual, because I love water, I became so, I felt completely in love with everything that happens here. So just moving around and trying to see what I can show you guys so that you all can see as well. There's really nothing like that exceptional about this beach in particular, but I just love the calmness that comes with the sound of the sea, like the sound of water. I love it. So I said, okay, I'm going to share with you all, like definitely going to make you guys have a feeling of what it is like here. And so please, if you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscription button. By the ways, I want to say a very big thank you for all the support that you guys been giving on this Cape Coast series. Thank you. I don't take it for granted at all. So I really appreciate you all for your support. So yeah, the best way to come to the beach, I don't know, almost all the beaches that I've been to, I must see one or two lovers. I don't know what that is. Like, are they trying to tell me to go get mine? Become, right? It's so much energy. Show yourself. Show yourself. Sanuku. There's no way I can go here. Okay, I can follow. You can
No,
go
okay,
through
okay,
here.
okay, so you can
Okay. Let me leave this here.
Now, Croatia has
I want to try
qualified.
this.
Croatia qualified. Hey, Portugal.
Sorry.
Portugal.
Croatia.
Let's talk about this. Have you taken some time off work, of business, of whatever you do, of studies to go relax at the seaside? Boy, this is going to make you feel so good. It's going to rejuvenate you. Trust me, the sound of the sea, I don't know for you, but for me, it works for my mental health. I love it. I love the waves and I love the sound. It brings me so much peace. And that is why anywhere I go to, if there is a beach, I must visit. You will find me there. You will find me at the beach and at the mountain. I'm good to go with those two. I just want to behold other parts of the town, village, city, or anywhere I go to from the mountain. I love it. And then also the seaside like this, it gives me a lot of joy. Okay, the exceptional thing here, the special thing about this beach, the huts that I built here, like these shades here that are built with grasses, like grasses. So it makes it look unique and beautiful. Okay, that is not very, very common in beaches to see. But as for the coconut, they are all common. I've seen that, especially at the beach in Winnipeg where I visited the other time. Yo, so let's get some coconuts to buy because we are losing daylight and I gotta go. I gotta go back and look for dinner because right now I'm hungry. This was the day I went to the Kakum walk. Please, if you have not seen that video, Biko Transit, okay, go see how your girl messed up. A lot of you been saying, you're brave, wow. I am an editor. You know what that means? I show you the path I wanted to see. If I had let everything be as it is, I'll lose your respect. So if you have not seen that video, please kindly go look for it and see. I beg, go and see because I stress. So this was the same day with the Kakum walk, canopy walk rather, and it was just crazy, but I'm glad I came. I loved the experience. So let's get some coconuts before we go back to the hotel and eat this food that I bought for this amount that I want you guys to judge and see if it is expensive. If Cape Coast, I almost say Cape Coast. If Cape Coast is expensive or fair or something, yeah. By the ways, have you watched the uni tour that I did, the campus tour of the University of Cape Coast? The most beautiful I have seen so far. So if you have not seen that one, kindly look for it, okay? By the way, let's go to my room and complain about this food that I got. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I ordered, guys, at Cape Coast. This is onions and pepper, whatever. And this is the sauce, green pepper sauce. This is ketchup. This are bankus, and this is fish. All of this for 40 cedis with delivery. 40 cedis because of the charges. The original price is 39. I think this is fair, right? What do you think? Fair? You guys are invited.